I hope you know what is hidden level. Hidden level means market strong spurt and resistance. Now that is quotient. How to find it? At first change time zone 1 minutes to 5. Now find a doji candle, like raining market level. Now draw a horizontal line on doji candle opening and closing position. See like video. Now again change time zone, 5 to 1 minutes. Now see magic. Horizontal line means support and resistance. Seen one more example in market.
চোখের কাছাকাছি এসে যেন পথ